I'm from Karur, and I joined QSpiders at the end of November. At firstly, I came to attend my core Java batch, which is taught by Nandi sir. Through his talking process, I came to know well known in Java, which helps me in comparing to real-time concepts, as well as I came to learn more in Java, and then I came for an SQL batch, which is taught by Sangeet sir. Through his thoughting process, I have gained more experience on SQL like pseudo columns and multi-row functions. And later I joined my tech batch, which is taught by Tamil sir. As a Tamil sir, which is taught me about a fully in front-end language, front-end technologies like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. By his teaching, I came to get more hands-on experience on front-end, and Nandi sir and Tamil sir will always support me and help me even though I face any failure. They always motivate me and always told that do not repeat the same mistake again for next interview. Do well prepare for the next interview. And then currently I place my job in placed as a job role as a training coach. Coming Monday I am ready to join, and thank you for giving me this opportunity.